Hi and welcome to Diffblue e-learning. This e-learning video will take you through the getting started steps for Cover Plugin, which can be used to automatically write Java unit tests for your classes and methods directly within the IntelliJ IDE. In brief, we'll download, install, and license the plugin, and then write tests for a class. Download links and license keys are provided in your Diffblue welcome email, or may be provided by your organization. For the full free trial experience using Cover Plugin and Cover CLI, check out our free trial e-learning video. There are two main methods for installing Cover Plugin. You can download directly from the IntelliJ Marketplace or install from a zip file. We'll use the Marketplace method first. In the IntelliJ IDE, open the Plugins menu, select the Marketplace tab, search for Diffblue, and click Install. Your plugin will now be downloaded and installed. When prompted, click Restart IDE to complete the install. If you're installing from a zip file, the process is similar. In the IntelliJ IDE, open the Plugins menu, click the cog icon next to the Install tab, and select Install Plugin from disk. To install, just select your zip file and click OK. When prompted, click Restart IDE to complete the install. To activate Cover Plugin, you'll need to apply your license. You'll be prompted for your license key once the IDE has restarted, or you can go to Diffblue, Activate License. Now we can start using Diffblue Cover. There are 3 key steps in this demo. We'll clone an example project, compile the project, and then write some tests. First, we'll clone the example project. We're going to make use of Spring Pet Clinic to show Diffblue Cover at work. First, we'll clone the project from the Diffblue Git repo. Note that the repo URL is also provided in the YouTube video description. In IntelliJ, select File, New, Project from Version Control. Make sure Git is selected in Version Control, enter the Pet Clinic URL, and select the directory to clone the project to. Now, we'll compile the project. Before we write any tests, we need to compile the Pet Clinic project. Diffblue Cover works by analyzing the bytecode of any project used with Cover. Do this within IntelliJ as you would with any other project, such as using the Maven plugin. Now, let's write tests for a class. In this step, we're going to use Cover Plugin to automatically write tests for a class within the Pet Clinic project. In IntelliJ, open the Pet Clinic project, navigate to a class, for example, Owner Controller, and click on the Write Tests gutter icon to write the tests. One click, 9 methods analyzed, 7 tests written, around 340 lines of code created, and all in around 65 seconds. Once complete, click the links in the Diffblue Cover panel to see the tests produced. The Write Tests action is available from several places within IntelliJ. Use the gutter icons for classes and methods in the editor, as you've just seen. Right-click a method or class in the editor, right-click a class file or folder in the project view, right-click a method or class in the structure view. So, what does Cover Plugin do? The process is actually pretty straightforward. Diffblue Cover first ensures that your code is compiled, and then analyzes your bytecode to fully understand your application. Cover triggers an execution of all possible paths through each method that Cover will create tests for, and any related methods. It uses inputs that are similar to those a developer would choose, and determines the most useful assertions to add to the tests. Cover then creates and evaluates test candidates, selecting the best candidate for each method. The final tests are retained for each method, and can be committed to your code base as needed. The tests are computationally correct and human-readable every time. Before, during, and after creating unit tests, Diffblue Cover also performs a number of checks. These include development environment checks, code checks, licensing, and test validation. Cover can generate a range of output codes during these checks to provide general information and highlight any potential issues. These are especially useful when refactoring code to improve test quality and test coverage. Now you've had the virtual experience, why not try it for yourself? Use the Pet Clinic example project just to get a feel for Cover Plugin, and then give it a go with your own code.